Hi everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Okay. So I've been traveling. That has been one reason that I was not able to upload a video. But today there has been a good sell-off in the market. So there were some queries in the chat box that if I could give my view on the markets. And frankly, I'm not trading. I am thinking of taking a trade tomorrow. Right. I usually don't like to trade much when I'm traveling. I didn't even look at the markets. But after the market hours, this is what I'm looking forward to. Right. So without wasting much time, let us get started, guys. So let us get started. So this is the chart of Nifty on a daily time frame. As you can see today, we have an engulfing candle which is dominated by the sellers. The sellers have been able to completely dominate yesterday's candle, and this is obviously a negative sign. And henceforth, my plan of action is very simple. That if tomorrow the market gives a breakdown of this previous day low, I will take a swing position in Nifty futures with this as the stop loss. So I'm giving you clear indication of what my plan is. Now the same engulfing candle we had at this particular point, if you can see this particular candle, again we had an engulfing candle, but the market did not break the low of this engulfing candle the next day. So the plan is very simple. In Nifty, we have an engulfing candle which shows the dominance of the sellers, and henceforth we are looking only for selling opportunity. Let's go to Bank Nifty and try to find out if we have any intraday opportunity in Bank Nifty. So first of all, again, we will prefer to look at the chart on a daily time frame. So let's have a look at Nifty Bank on a daily time frame. Correct. So again, we have Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. So the price action is pretty similar. We can see clear dominance of the sellers. However, it is not an exact engulfing candle. However, we can clearly see the weakness in the market. So the plan of action here is going to be little different. We are going to go on a shorter time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, and see what is happening in the market. Right. So if you go to 5 minutes time frame, one thing is pretty much clear, that this particular area is likely to act as a supply zone. So we are going to look for a selling opportunity at this point of time. Correct. And this previous day low, which has been tested once. Also, the market took a little retracement from this point. So there are some buyers who may get stuck if the previous day low is again taken out. Correct. So we are going to look for a selling opportunity at 39,400. And if the market opens with a gap up, we have 39,990 as a selling level. So one thing is very clear, that we are biased in the market. We are only looking for a selling opportunity. Now, you must have noticed that I always tell you to have a biased view. Correct. And make sure that you have watched our previous video, which we had posted on the weekend on current day high and current day low reversals, which has worked out very well for a lot of our viewers, right? So I've got so many mails regarding the same. Now that we know that the markets are really weak, and let us look forward to that one stock which is looking very strong, right? So one stock which is looking very strong to me is MCX. So let's go to MCX. So this is the chart of MCX on a weekly time frame. As you can see, MCX first gave a very good trending move. Then from the period July until October, it was consolidating in a very tight range. Now mind it, this is a weekly time frame. Look at the volume buildup, right? Even though the breakout happened at this point and the volumes were very good at the breakout level, but not just the breakout levels. Even while the stock was consolidating, we could see good volume buildup on the long side. Correct. And what I'm expecting is that from this particular small pullback, this is nothing but just a retracement. From this level, MCX can give a very good momentum. Now, again, this is not a stock advice or something like that. Correct. So this is a simple analysis which seems to be looking very strong at this point of time, and a small retracement or a pullback is very healthy in the market, right? And MCX is on my long radar, the one stock which I'm expecting to give good momentum. Correct. So keep MCX on your radar in the coming sessions. So with that note, thank you so much, guys. And I hope you guys learned again today a lot. Right. So with that note, thank you so much, guys.